forecast for the KWO 35 listening area. Blizzard warning in effect until midnight Tuesday night. Coastal flood advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 4 a.m. Tuesday. This afternoon, periods of snow. Additional snow accumulation around an inch. Brisk and cooler with highs in the mid-20s. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tonight, snow in the evening, then snow with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Blowing snow after midnight. Snow may be heavy at times with visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Additional snow accumulation of 10 to 14 inches. Windy with lows in the lower 20s. North winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tuesday, snow with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then snow in the afternoon. Blowing snow. Snow may be heavy at times in the morning with visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Additional snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches. Blustery and cold. Near steady temperature in the mid-20s. North winds around 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Light snow likely in the evening. Additional light snow accumulation possible. Lows around 20. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Here is the extended forecast. Thursday, partly sunny in the morning, then mostly cloudy with a chance of light snow in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 20s. Chance of snow 30%. Thursday night, light snow likely. Light snow accumulation possible. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of snow 60%. Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of light snow in the morning, then partly sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-30s. Chance of snow 30%. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows 10 to 15. Saturday, mostly sunny. Cold with highs in the lower 20s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 15 to 20. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s.